Merry Christmas, guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Mary, and if you have just stumbled upon my channel, come on and join us here at Rocky Mountain Gardens, where we do decorating, gardening, everything to make your home a hospitable place for your friends and family, and maybe a stranger that you welcome in. So, we have a chorus of dog barking today in the neighborhood. You might hear that in the background. But I am joining Heidi Sonbull today with a collaboration for decorating and cleaning my front porch for the Christmas holidays. We'll start with some cleaning first because my porch is quite grimy right now. And then we'll move on to putting out all the Christmas decor. I wanted to share a tip with you today on how I make arrangements for the outdoors in the wintertime. And you may know that I'm a big gardener, and normally in this urn I plant annuals in the spring to last me throughout the summer. But today I have removed all the dead plants and filled it up with potting soil. And you can see I've already placed a poinsettia in there. And I use that potting soil as a, the material that holds the plants where I want them to be. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little arrangement together here for you, and you can watch as I work on it. It's going to be quite easy, and all of you can do it, I promise. Well, for some reason, I ran out of greenery stems to use in this arrangement, but I have some of my Michael's greenery that I'm going to use as sort of a filler and a base for this design. And I'm going to line it around the urn, and I'll kind of fluff it up and put it together so it looks nice. Right now it doesn't look that good, does it? But let me take care of that. I'm going to clip this off. I have it wound twice around the outside of the urn. And so now I'm going to fluff it up and put it together quickly for you. This is a better view of the urn that I'm using, and then you can also see my arrangement. I used quite a few poinsettia bushes that I bought after the season last Christmas, and then I have the berries, white poinsettias, and this darling little Santa stake that I placed in there as well. So there's my arrangement. Now we're going to get started on decorating this 3-shelf area and this little table that I have as well. So we'll be walking over to the porch so you can get a better view of all the decor that I worked on. In this lantern, I have a little Santa. There he is. Hi, Santa. A little hard to see because of the glare, isn't it? Sorry about that. But we have some jingle bells in a white poinsettia here on this little vignette. And then we have our gingerbread lady here and a little gingerbread child right there. Maybe that's Mama. And here's her little baby. And we have a cute little sign here from the Dollar Tree last year. And some florals. You can see Santa a little more here from the side without the glare. You can see my Mary sign, and here's the wreath that I made last year. And I do have a video on how I put this one together if you're interested, from 2018. And then around my door, I have placed some greenery with colored lights. My strand of greenery was not that long, so what I did is I used these two garlands from last year to come down this side of my door with colored lights continuing. Then we have our Merry Christmas sign and a candle lit here on the top shelf of these 3 shelf unit piece. There's a little drummer boy teddy bear. And then, oh, look at that cute elf boot with Santa holding a very skimpy Christmas tree. In the middle here is the arrangement that we did in the video, looking very nice. And then on this little table that was a garage sale find, I have Santa with a sign, merry and bright. And down on the second shelf, we just have some festive florals. Now on my 2 chairs here, I have some pillows, and I just adore this Mrs. Claus Cookie Company pillow that was from the Target Dollar Spot. And here's one of my favorite little vignettes, this gorgeous red bird house that is also from Hobby Lobby last year, with some greenery and a cute little Target birdie, all dressed warm for the cold days. And then I have this wonderful patchwork pillow that a friend made for me several years ago. So if we look back this way, you can see my little vignettes and my festive wreath. And then coming around the corner here is the rest of my decor for this fun holiday design. When you walk up to my front door, then this is what you see. Lots of Christmassy cheer in this really lovely welcome mat. It sure says Christmas, doesn't it? So I'm back to say goodbye for now, and to encourage you to check out right below in the description box. I'm going to have a link to Heidi's playlist for the collaboration for front porch decorating. And then I'm also going to have a link for my own Christmas playlist, where I think you could go to find some fun videos with lots of ideas for your own house. So goodbye for now, and Merry Christmas again.